2003 Lexus GS300 thermostat was done wrong to begin with. So I'm taking it apart, took it out, and I want you guys to take a look at this bleeder screw. This bleeder should be facing upwards and facing up on top of the engine, not at the bottom. But whoever did that service did it wrong. That's why it has cooling problems, because this is always supposed to face 90 degrees top, not at the bottom at the 60 degrees angle, but at the 90 degrees. To make sure you put this thermostat upright in the way the position is supposed to be. That's supposed to be facing upwards, always up, never down. But anyway, guys have any questions, Mike with Pacific Tech.